So friends, first we need 9 to 10 pieces of tiger prawns. I have deveined it, and here I am having the powder masala, whole garam masala, whole red chilli, sugar, turmeric powder, salt and red chilli powder or Kashmiri mirch powder, and 2 slices of lemon I have taken. And on that side I have taken slit green chilies 3 to 4 pieces, chopped onion 1 cup, 4 tablespoon mustard oil, half cup grated coconut, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and ghee. And here I have taken fresh coconut milk. So these are all the ingredients which we need to make prawn malai curry. So first we need to marinate. For this I am adding salt, turmeric powder and red chilli powder and some lemon. In a karai we have to heat 1 cup of mustard oil, and one by one we have to fry the prawns. And today I'm very lucky as my husband is helping me out. So this is how we have to fry the prawns. In the same karai with the same oil where I had fried the prawns, I'm going to add whole red chilli and whole garam masala, and we have to saute it in the oil. So it is going to give a very nice flavor to the curry. And along with this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee. After the ghee melts, I will add 1 cup of chopped onions in it and fry it together. So with this, nice aroma is coming and it really gives a very good flavor to the gravy. And now we have to add the ginger garlic paste in it and fry it along with it. after it is fried nicely and oil comes out, we have to add the slit green chilies and red chili powder in it. Next we have to add the coconut milk in the curry which I have freshly prepared. As you can see, the malai. So nicely we have to blend it. Friends, now I will add half teaspoon of sugar in it and rest of the coconut milk, and we have to make the gravy and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the gravy is almost ready and we have to add the prawns one by one, which we had already fried before, and we have to boil it along with the gravy. So friends, our prawn malai curry is ready to serve, and you can serve it with hot steamed rice. And if you like this recipe, please try it at home and enjoy with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring up more new recipes for you all. Till then, all of you take care and happy Friendship Day. Bye bye all of you.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And